You want to talk to Grandma?
Talk to Grandma.
Okay. Do you like this backpack?
Yeah.
You like it? You like? Do you want a Dora backpack?
Dora backpack.
There ain't none. Do you want this one?
This one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Nah. We ain't gonna get it.
Get it?
Nah. Let's go home. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go.
Okay. Oh. Let me see.
What do you want to see?
Let me see.
Why?
Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
There's nothing for you to see. You see that?
Let me see.
That's it. Look. I'm just recording you. Calm down.
That's cute.
That's cute?
Yeah.
You're cute. Are you cute?
I'm cute.
Yes, you are. You're beautiful, Havana. Okay? Yes, you are. Are you beautiful?
I'm beautiful.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. You tired?
I'm tired.
You want a Mimi's?
I want a Mimi's.
Oh, you don't want a Mimi's. I want a Mimi's, Savannah.
I want a Mimi's.
Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye, Kayla.
See you later.
Later.
Oh, look, Kenny.
Kenny? Ah. Kenny.
All right, let's go.